very excited right now. Why am I very excited? Because Charlotte's making lovely breakfast.
Sunday brekkie.
Yeah. But not only that, excited because we're off to INHACA Island.
Where the hell is INHACA? Well, let me show you. INHACA is a subtropical Mozambican island off the east coast of Africa. It's actually an extension of the narrow peninsula that runs from Maputo Special Reserve to Cabo Santa Maria, but is separated by a shallow channel called Hell's Gate, only 500 meters wide. The island with its irregular coastline is 52 square kilometers and is home to about 6,000 people, mainly subsistent fishermen and farmers, but many South Africans have found this piece of paradise and are now calling the island home. Been there a few times?
We've been there a few times, yeah. So,
but by land?
Yeah, we've always gone on camping, fishing trips, and it's a lovely place. We really enjoy INHACA, and this is really exciting because it's the first time we're actually going to sail there. It's going to be interesting because the locals on the island sort of are subsistence fishermen and farmers, and they used to also get a living from tourism on the island. And as you all know, tourism has pretty much died. So it's going to be interesting to see how people are surviving and getting on the island and getting by. Hopefully we can make a difference in a little way, or a little difference in a big way, or a tiny difference in some kind of way.
Any difference we can make.
Yeah, so we'll be there. We'll be buying groceries and beers and supporting Lucas's restaurant if he's still open. So yeah, looking forward to it. Weather's looking good. We'll have another look at it tomorrow morning, and then it's all the formalities. Checking out, immigration, customs, water police, Zululand Yacht Club. Guys. And there's the PCR test. We gotta go and get PCR tests, all three of us, at 850 rands South African each. Anyway, it's got to be done. It is what it is. While we're so excited, there's someone over here buried in the cabin, lying about, lazing about all day long. Look at her, the Queen of Sheba. What are you doing?
Nothing.
What are you doing? What are you watching?
Sailing Family.
Oh, it's the Sailing Family. Oh, they're cool. Well, we enjoy them.
So on our last sail, we went up the coast to Cape Verde. We did the fishing trip. Our spray dodger ripped. So the perspex, or the clear part window, actually tore straight away from the canvas. And I've been battling to find someone who can repair it because there's way too much for me to do by hand. I'm on my way there now to get it fixed because there's no ways that I'm sailing to INHACA, which we're doing in a couple of days, without the spray dodger. So, wish me luck. Oh, mind the traffic. How cool is it? The last time we went sailing, our radar reflector just fell off the shrouds and into the sea. So I've got to go up and put up a new one. It's one-handed business, not easy. Whoa. And that's why you gave me extra. Top one's done. Okay, I've got 4 in here. 1 on the top, 1 on the bottom, 2 in the middle. Okay, and it feels like it's quite secure. Okay, let's go. Bouncing. Hey, his provisioning business is not easy. Yo, don't like grocery shopping in the best of times. Now, we've already been to 3 shops, I think. Come here to get to the Pick and Pay because I love it. It's really big, you know, it's got some awesome combo deals. 30 shops closed. We gotta go all the way back to Mirancia where we were earlier to go to Pick and Pay there. Yeah, we're getting our provisioning done, but hard work. And, you know, I don't even know how long we're going to be away for. You know, it could be 2 weeks, could be 3 weeks. I don't really know what we're going to get on the island. Hopefully we'll be able to get basics, you know. Oh, easy does it. Oh, it smells good in here. Did you make lunch, Frank?
I did.
Oh, what a mission, but we did well. We did well.
Did you do well?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
And there were some nice, good deals, combo deals.
We love the combo deals.
Time for formalities. Got all the paperwork from the yacht club, filing a flight plan, so I've now got to fill out all these documents, make sure that everything's correct, so when we go to immigration and customs and the water police, we don't have any issues. And then we're heading out to do the thing.
Yeah, guys.
Bye.
Ciao.
Okay, 10. My 10. Thank you.
For you guys, we are sailing to
Maputo.
Maputo.
Yeah.
Can I come with you guys?
Yes, come on.
Can I have passports as well?
Passport, sure.
When are you sailing off?
Tomorrow morning,
What time?
about 7 o'clock in the morning.
We go with the wind witness.
Yeah.
When the wind is right, we go.
Who is the skipper?
That's
You.
Robin. I'm not the skipper.
You never know.
You never know, exactly.
Maybe you're the one who's in charge.
Oh no, I'm the one in charge.
But she's the boss.
Oh, he's the
You
boss.
understand?
Let me see your face, Moya. Can I see your face? Just lower your mask. So pretty.
Yeah, just like her father.
Ish. Yeah.
Hey, this guy. Mommy? Mozambique.
You?
Mozambique. Look at this one.
Crazy gun, eh?
Waiting for you to say yes is beautiful, but it didn't happen.
Alright, customs office. Unfortunately, we weren't allowed to film in the office itself, but how did it go?
Oh, it went well, eh? Customs is the ones that's stressful.
Yeah.
It's a foreign registered vessel. It's a foreign registered vessel. There's always the risk that they could say that you're importing a boat and blah blah blah. And so it was a relief.
Yeah.
The sound of that stamp going ka-dung, ka-dung is music to the ears.
Yeah.
It's almost as good as the sound of a cold beer being opened.
Yeah.
Almost as good.
Always. Okay, so last stop we're going to the water police. No, we've got to do a PCR test first.
Fine, right? You can open your mouth and breathe with your mouth, ne? It's uncomfortable. You've done this before, ne?
No, it's first time.
Okay, first time.
Don't miss our next episode. We set sail, our pole breaks, Robin catches a tunny, and some dolphin welcome us to the island.